What on earth is this? The Paint Puck Brush Cleaner? What? Oh, whoa. That was explosive. Look at my paper towel, there's no color on it. Rub the brush on the paintbrush, nub to remove the paint from your brush. Yeah, this is amazing. I love this thing. And I bet I can like pour the water out and the thing will stay in there. Wow. This thing, I'm gonna be using this all the time with my watercolors. This was amazing. I had no idea. I don't know why something so simple will work so well, but Paint Puck. They just suction cup it.
Oh, this is cool. I don't need to use both hands. Oh wow, this is actually really good. Got my towel here. And then you can also just put it there to dry. I like it. We're gonna make it really dirty now. Okay. Oh wow, this is really fast. This is awesome! Oh my gosh, this is so much better than my yogurt containers that I always use. Woo! I never paint like that. Any one of you who watches my stuff knows this is not how I paint. I want to test how this thing works, so I need a really messy brush. Okay, let's try these ones. Here I have to hold it because it doesn't have rubber. Oh, I should have taken a bigger glass. It's my fault. But damn, this works! It works really well. You can actually see how these little thingies clean it. Yep, I'm convinced.
I reckon I can put them like on the side. Yeah, that's stuck. Let's have some different colours so it looks good. Actually, I'm glad you get quite a few in a pack. So you get 5 in a pack. I think you can buy them individually as well, but I use 2 waters when I'm painting. I don't know if you all do, but I've got both sort of clean one and a dirty one. So I'd like them in both anyway. Yeah, that's quite cool. So then I'm going to demonstrate how I used to wash my brush. So it would literally just be rubbing it from side to side. We'll do it sort of that long, and then let's see if it's got all the paint off. And you can see it hasn't, and that was how I'd do it. And then I'd go back and again swish it around a little bit. You can see it is going orange, it is removing the paint, and I'm just always trying to be so careful. That's probably why my brushes have lasted 2 years. You know, like, you probably don't do this, and it's probably not good enough to get them clean, but I do this over and over and over and over, and eventually it would be clean. And it's when I started painting larger models I really started to notice this is a chore. I want to protect my brushes, but at the same time I don't want to spend, you know, that's going to add up. That's going to be 30 seconds, a minute per colour, changing it round. So let's get this just as dirty, and then this time I'm going to push it, I'm not ramming it in the bottom, but I'm just catching it on those bits. The bristles are going over the paint book, so you know, this isn't a controlled experiment. I don't know how many times I swirled from side to side, but can you see the difference? So I've still been insanely gentle, and now we're talking about that much paint left on the brush. So let's do it again, and what I'm actually doing is doing it a little bit rougher in real life and for a little bit longer, and round, and you can use these ones on the side as well. Stroke the brush through it, and what I find is I spend about, if it was this bad, 5 to 10 seconds doing that, and it would have been completely clear. And look, it's now good as new. So 2 little goes, and I honestly think you would have done that in 1 if I wasn't trying to be, you know, super gentle to try and prove the difference between there. Hopefully you saw that.
I'm gonna get it nice and soapy. That's often when you can tell that there's still dried in paint. Now we're gonna scrub it against the bottom. Seems to be holding fast to the bottom of the mug. You can just barely see the paint puck in the bottom of our first testing glass. It really removed a lot of paint. You can't see the paint puck in the bottom of the second because it really did a good job removing paint and soap. So I definitely give these a thumbs up. I think I can heartily recommend them, and I hope you guys will consider checking them out as well, particularly if you enjoy watercolor.